Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by granting permissions, open settings and go straight to apps, then manage apps, find the app you want to float. Tap permissions or display over other apps and switch the floating window permission on. Once done, make sure battery saver or MIUI optimization won't kill the app in background. Allow background activity if prompted. This step matters because without permission the system won't create the overlay, and background restrictions will close your floating window unexpectedly. Next, you create the floating window itself. Open the app and invoke recent apps or long press the app icon. Select floating window from the menu. The app will pop out as an overlay. Drag it to any corner because placement reduces interruption and helps reachability. To resize, pinch or drag the window edges, and use the top handle to expand into a split or full screen view. This method gives you quick access while preserving the underlying app workflow. To finish, lock or pin the floating window if you plan to keep it. This prevents accidental swipes from closing it. If the floating window fails to appear, first restart the app, then clear its cache, and if needed, reboot your phone. Many UI glitches resolve with a reboot. Make sure MIUI security isn't revoking overlay permissions, and confirm battery saver allows background activity. If problems persist, toggle the display over other apps permission off and on.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.